So na me was so much believe our team nim so mbeti ma qualify. So after say sa defeat ne ba ye ntimi an qualify no. E ma me buto kakra. E ma me rehoye. So me rehoye ni nyina na ye say ye ntimi an qualify no. E na ma me rehoye because na me pese ye qualify na ye ko World Cup no Chile.
Yeah.
De tosu mienu a me bufu ye no e goals na ye concede ye no. Sa 2 goals na ye concede no e ma me bufu pa. One, the first goal na ye concede ye no. Se upe football na uti football ase. Na what the principles ase a ububefu. The first goal na ye concede na Egypt for Sheriff ne share no kwaku. The first mistake I mean was between your captain Ofori McCarthy and the goalkeeper. Ofori McCarthy and the goalkeeper. Kwaku, at the time I on send a long ball. And Egypt goalkeeper ne ball ne tin. Egypt goalkeeper ne ball ne tin no. Ye goalkeeper na oba. Aba bi shia ball no. By a channel or step out no or sapo say kakra because on him say na Ofori McCarthy aben ball no. Enti goalkeeper na onu ni PS oba beche ball na no jaye because o check distance between ono and the ball. A bad din so oba akofa and already we send the captain akofa ball no and ogina ye. And Ofori McCarthy no ye captain so nim say goalkeeper ni ipiaba. Enti o guide ball na dia ma goalkeeper no. So the first problem I mean notice ya bra na measure ball no. I said there was a misunderstanding between the goalkeeper and the captain. By problem ne kase pa no every year captain no. Ye captain na the major problem. How ma ye consider his first goal no. Because one, on say Egypt for 2 players and na omo try some be chase ball no. Player no say go Sharif Aziz na or the left side. Anna Ahmed Sharaf on one right side. By ball neighbor no ye captain no Oskane Aziz ne nkwa wan hwa right o. Ordinary di kan ko hwa Aziz no wan hwa right o. So your captain na o say ono no scanning the environment, or scanning the surrounding no, one scanning ye. And me no me anu nim say football. So we a defender, ade ba ko ma you very good defender. Eh how a be able to scan your surrounding. No one who danger e wo nchen. By your captain, Ofori McCarthy scanning Aziz ne nkwa on the left side, one shot the right side and na Sharaf ni free over. So Sharaf ni mum and then the 9 back can ball no. And some pokran Aziz no eba be Aziz Sharif ne ba be go. So ye captain ni feli say obes scanning environment. Then again at the time abon ne ba ye no. Nanka oye smarter. And ko be pin ball no be head the ball the akwa koma goalkeeper. The best option was say obe head the ball no e the akwa koma goalkeeper no because at that time 2 players in the speed neighbor. E dey say obe control. E dey say the ball ne be call left. E dey say the be call right. By goalkeeper no obe pem ne dey the akwa koma goalkeeper no. Na goalkeeper na che. So ye first goal na ye consider ye no. I believe ye captain Ofori McCarthy. A big mistake.
Kwame, me opinion kakra. And it's ye share screens no so McCarthy Ofori. Time all we peja nitia all her ball no. Who say goalkeeper no we slow the pace and no deba. But from this still picture because time of Ofori chase ball in you him say goalkeeper no so Asia no. But opeja nitia all her ball no. I want a goalkeeper no so start to say or no so slow ni smrika no deba no or tonabo send a bear onimisa McCarthy for ball. I think some miscommunication. It's time a ball no on one kasa be ebe to no I confused after.
That's the reason I'm earlier want to make catch me submission me catch or say there was a misunderstanding between the goalkeeper and McCarthy.
No, but this Kwame say at this biggest stage, I don't need defenders yes sir.
So first problem is misunderstand because goalkeeper him say McCarthy akoba. And McCarthy so him say or guide the ball na my goalkeeper naba. So e hono obo ya nte ne ho ase. By open the main culprit the oma ye consider go na e captain no. Because the distance between the goalkeeper and the ball emuche.
On season tournament you will have a bad tournament.
When you bad tournament.
Pow.
The distance between the goalkeeper and the ball emuche go at that time na goalkeeper no ain't been through me come befa. and na adia na was McCarthy and yes at that time na was so head ball the kwakoma goalkeeper na channel. That was the easiest option. And no feeling.
And a ball or training nine a ball and have a ball and nine and they say instead they
nipa na or no they na order right or no.
Aziz
Sharaf. Egypt for Sharaf na no order right or no. As a captain and Shano. One Shano Oshe only Aziz.
Very
and to one say Sharaf when we say Sharaf need to be keba. That was poor. So one scanning. Then the second goal, the same defensive problem. Yeah, 3 players against 1 Egypt player. The same Sheriff. Na yama watina ho kwakuche ade we. And also so a long ball na Egypt for the ball you. Yeah, wo Aaron Essel. Ya wo da Costa entry. And ye wo Makati Ofori. Ana Egypt for no test 1 player Aziz no. And Ghana for yeah wo 3 players so. Ana Egypt for 1. Yeah wo player baako ejina Aziz nechi. That's Aaron Essel. And ye wo 2 players in front of Egypt 4 players no. Entry and Ofori. But omo nyina slow down. Most especially the captain Ofori. Emma Aziz ne sa betu mi ka be lead omo. Be pa choko ani mame. Aziz ni tru mi ka sa be lead omo. So obi anu no ye wo na chi no wasaba ba sign ye captain ne ho. And say wo twa America na Ofori dey corner as a obo life. And to obi a wo lead Aziz no wasa tena ho Aziz na sa ba be lead no. And at that time na ye goalkeeper ni ye say opie. Opie na Entwida Costa eso so ko ye goal post ni so cover the goalkeeper and Aziz BT ye goalkeeper na the ball no to atene so ye 2 goals ye conceding na the current America say na me bu afu ni na ye goals ah
nti ye center backs me insa no ay but this is too elementary oh
yes and na me bu fu ye no
Matthias
ye first half no defensively ye very poor offensively ye very slow ye kra ball na ye slow with the ball. You build up, very slow. Now you impose threat. And from Egypt for in the first 45 minutes. The general performance of your team, no, as usual, you be dominating possession. By football, no, at the end of the 90 minutes and also at the end of the tournament, no, and your possession, don't be qualify. What possible ni be against Egypt? What you say, no, kwaku, you pass a ball in 551. You be possible ni be by players, no problem. Obi ajibo pesa, ojina ball, no so touch ball, ne be 5, 6, 7.
So
and son will release the ball.
Agent no.
Obiajebo no be jinabo no so be 5, 6, 7 and son will team release the ball. And on him say out of 551 passes no, you just 1 big chances, 1 big chance. Aziz go no say you know. Na ye individual brilliance o. Na nya chance. Aziz go no say dem Ghana na ekoye 2-1 no. Ono ni BT ni maka. And no shooting from distance and Egypt for goalkeeper no so anko ye second goal na penalty. So clearly kwaku na ayarehosem. Wako major tournament, wabo 4 games. When you 73 attempt to score, emu 17 pen on target. Yeah, poor.
Biggie.
Say yeah out. 2017 and Timi qualify, 19 and qualify, 23 and qualify, 2025 and Timi qualify.
Arehosem.
And Ngwase sem arehosem. And a year bufu sem de maye.
Biggie.
Kwaku. First of all, Ghana problem and it was about defense. Unfortunately for us, the one who's supposed to be the leader at the back. Fortunately, also so na team the captain, Makati Ofori. And this is a captain, experienced. This is not the first time over the under 20. And if there are other players from Ababa Bekao, I will cheer one more. Now, so your captain the team no. You expect some mistakes be bampoa. When it says we leader, now Jim the team now correcting Yama, now direct affairs, I will cheer on the team no. But unfortunately for us, the person who was supposed to be the leader at the back, on no chance to let team down. The first goal, the second goal, those 2 goals were goals are now a highly avoidable. So now your defense and is serious and now make us Egypt for the ball in this particular tournament. And your boy, and now. They didn't play better than Ghana. They only had opportunities in the first half. Within 80 minutes, they are considered 2 goals. Nanke avoidable. Away team and a defense, no. And the goalkeeping department. And let's say young down. The first goal, goalkeeper no so a part of the mistake. He has to be blamed. adia ba ko aminim about goalkeeping your time and kwaku so when you say ball no step now we take it say okona win team in far in the first place you don't have to move out of your goal line area until you calculate all these things and sana be make step I want make it one anticipation is key so the goalkeeper knew he should have calculated all these things and sana be taking any form of step at the free goal line area how man what take it it's goalkeeper no defenders no I'm more Ghana in this particular game. Oh yeah, no free one more. At a point, your key players will game him. Oh, Timmy Abdelaziz and Fem Film. Kwaku balls are back on the honor, no problem. There were a lot of times, sir. Now I say Abdelaziz a drop it deep. No one got a better ball, and son or no one got a so better chill, so better than you, or the ball not quite anymore on my quack. Almost some of the boss, Nico Comano. It was like the midfield and then the attack. No, be out on the baby. It wasn't clicking. Things weren't working. It's just Abdelaziz back. Actually, no about the pebble or honum. Just say other players, a drop it back deep. No about the football. It's on countless occasions. Abdelaziz Banche will be an hour technical team. He was communicating to them. Say boss, no more money in family. And how he scored that goal was a typical example. This one no ababeje no create space the man one sana wa bobo and it's a who play who key player out of possession at the end of the day who never call the tiao it's young kasa and you shoot your in the foot for the team play I can say that it was the only positive aspect of our game and especially in the second half you dominated possession ye bibia but you could do any more one months now your problem. We felt we had Jerry Free, a very good striker. I need dinosaur to the extent that was here flying in and out of the tournament.
Was that necessary?
Because the game we played, he arrived the day before that game.
And he started.
And Obaye started the man.
We be Ghana hapa.
All these things are problem. It contributed to the loss yesterday. And then I can confidently say it's a Jerry Free worst game in this tournament was yesterday's game.
No, but anyway, but Ghana, you how pow. We
treated him like a baby pele.
But what kind of communication are you giving to the rest of the players?
That is where the problem is.
And it is not as if so two one kobobo. Inti ade fan fatigue no na omuni mu ana.
So what you say? What be do a day before? Hey. Now what science was starting a game in a crucial game like this.
It
was quite unfortunate
issue for
and for me I think say Kwaku a do penalties and so you got tournaments especially in the knockout stages. Don't we prepare for penalties? Hakim Suleimana. Yenya penalty regulation time. Look at the beautiful penalty he played. A do shootout no unza wa mobi.
I no cry name one.
Denti no one more.
Because during the game if you can play a crucial penalty like this.
Yes.
Denti na yebo penalty.
Denti na one more.
Anyway. Biggie. Mami kodi komo Kotoko hombra. Kwame.
Oh.
Kotoko.
Yeah. It's about Kumasi Asante Kotoko, the coaching job. Babedaho. On say after a coach Prosper Nate Ugume free Kotoko no. Karim Zito, our appointing as the technical director. And he saw you interim coach Adiama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So after the season, I be ready the new season, no 2025-2026 season. No. I was a Kumasi Asante Kotoko appointing a new coach and said you will be in a lot of names. Ana baba betoja. What a maso kunedu din wom. What it ika kono din wom Samuel Buadu. Enra pakwesi Fabian din so ebemu. Sa coaches we nyina no. Omo yalenke omo to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. By the woman here say committee omo search for the new coach Adiama Kumasi Asante Kotoko no. Ebesia. Kotoko IMC no Obian presenti coach emfa momo. Ana Kotoko impenyimfo omo da boboko na no sesi a. Opemso edi boboko na mo so onhweso omo hweso no. Obian yi coach. because omo train committee no omo be search for the new coach area ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko no ye wo coaches ni bebre akwaku omo apply for job no bebre edu amonone edu Ghana ha si ya and Ghana ha say no metimi a confirm the amount say experienced coach ba ko a so minim se wa apply for Kumasi Asante Kotoko adwuma no asaribedi ako asaribedi ako apply for Kumasi Asante Kotoko adwuma no ni din wa apply a ode ne bibi akoma Kumasi Asante Kotoko mpanyimfo coaches ni de amanoni coaches bebre ana asaribedi ako na ba ako a onso apply Ghana ase coaches ni ko bai obi ti sasa mo obu adudie no Samuel Obuadu de after say ensem ne beto odwa say ana Samuel Obuadu betima ba Kotoko no the reaction of majority of Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters no ama committee no mo search for new coach no asa Samuel Obuadu no mo ye atwam
okay
omo ye atwam NCC no circles no so no coach ba ko mu push pa no Maso Okunadu NCC ni push for Maso Okunadu. Then Kotoko management omo run Kotoko sesi no wadaro ma mintimi mfa di ntudwa by omo meeting bi omo ye no sa panyin no so propose sika kono so sika kono din na ekopiem ni nyina no panyin ba ko a oka Kotoko team omo run Kotoko sesi no o meeting the propose sika kono ana maso de no so NCC no do sem panyinfo ne pe by NCC no so push for maso pa by Samuel Obuadu the reaction from majority of supporters na ma say mpanyinfo no twentwen so sesi enti Kotoko mpanyinfo no mo be search for the new coach no omo twen coach James Kwesi Apia afu no oba down omo twen twen no on bet na se na omo hwe omo apply eni omo so mpanyinfo na nkasa so ehu omo say potentially obetima be coach Kotoko dwumedie no on bet na se na committee no coach Karim Zito wo so Kwesi Apia so wo so a omu nyina bet na se ahwe then de ototo Kotoko sika sem so ebe wo so a omu nyina be ye unse no story ba abonten say coach Karim Zito aka kire mpanyimfo no say adwuma no pe min hwehwe mu kakra maye from Kotoko side ana coach side nyina na kire say coach nkan kire Kotoko mpanyimfo say opa adwuma no ono ba Kotoko say obeye technical director wamba say oba ba be head coach into on kan kire Kotoko panyi bia say coach ono coach Karim Zito no say no on technical director no pe head coach na nka say obedina touchline na mum sempanyimfo adwen sesa na omo hwe adwuma na Karim Zito ye na omo ne say yen sesa ne dibra ne niema ne nto aso a ono de oho be say won so be share ne management
Kwame
no ma dwen sansensem no nti say
Kwame
ye twen coach Kwesi Apia
Kwame coach Kwesi Apia China ye twen no emani be take decision kese bia what the me cho yase
me too
coaches na obo mu din ene omo apply ni nyina no me mfa bia Kotoko
mfu ade
say omo a mu fa dwuma ne ma Karim Zito no onye
ba ku bia minim no so a German coach
Kwame Kotoko nimre Kotoko next season okohi
South
Africa ben
Confederation
Cup when okay last team free Ghana call Confederation Cup kwa yade one and coach is that team no
easy to
so if someone that experience no but Kotoko so oba ye and Oshia who says don't give the job to him oba he's doing well and no Kwame or Africa experience
as it to so man fan say on be head coach
oh Kwame na dey emfa ho
oba fan so be
enti no and say na we here the coaches ya mention afa na oba no aba be dey
sasem a we
ewia ya mo try letter say mo confirming as the head coach
sasem we are raising no
Kwame mo fa dwuma ne man no onye dwuma
asem we are raising
we dey Kwame sisi letter no mo try mra
secretary asem we are raising no meeting ase no asem
Kwame kasa Johnny Hey.
I mean, Johnny baby,
Senior man.
Kotoko, technical advisor. Raise the same concern. I will meet in as I say, and he say, Coach Karim Zito, a bit my human, I don't know woman into us. And it's Kasemon Pokran Suno because new could be a bar.
I feel about you, some brave.
Say, sir, I say we are no. Johnny Rezi will.
Oh, Mufred Jumano,
yes.
So my point is that Obaye and Oshia, I would say send you Mgopo before from Ra. But Obaye, he's doing well, and I'm a boy.
So, on say, Omodian, say, Omopa Karim Zito as the technical.
Kwame, Africa now, Okono. Or the Dreams FC. Eko Africa, Koye, very good. It is a ubiquitous high experience, no. No, Kotoko Musisia. Also, go for before Friday number. So, by a day.
So, we could Kotoko.
Oh, Massa. Mufred Juman Farman. So, Yandi, I'm waiting in chain, but to say no, Bibian Sesaya, I didn't say, who correct tonight.
I want to say, Coach Karim Zito, so no. Say Kotoko Fumpo crackers from the Juman Bemana. Or so swapping on soon in Timu Quaco. Oh, Tim Yenny. Coach, David, meeting the beer, metro meeting, no more. Oh, Munyama, Biggie Casa.
A Jumano. Kwame. Karim Zito pay Jumano. On country got a company for officially. Say I'm finding your head coach, and I thought before your head coach. But I am reliably informed. On you're close to him. Edinkomo. I'm an catch in the panel. Karim Zito feels like there's still a lot of coaching in him. On yet that old there was a chinchilla over a technical director. And in Pennyforce I'm for the chain in Twaso. Karim Zito ba Kumasi Asante Kotoko. In the few matches he has played, has he been bad? It is a no. So Kumasi Asante Kotoko, new coach. Edinaba. All these fools about yepe coach, you know. I feel Ghanaian clubs going forward, for old methods in your new results. People are applying for the Kumasi Asante Kotoko job, and your problem. But all over the world, teams know me serious. No, I'm on try appointment too. Carlo Ancelotti, Kono. Madrid, I identify coach on only few say, or person be replacing Carlo Ancelotti. It's your no Madrid Nankasa. Wafafu no friends are be alone to say, what am I person obey you, Jumana Mame? What does Kumasi Asante Kotoko want? Omunim so omu bibi wo Karim Zito mu. And into the more time akwan ba beda ho no mbepe stop gap coach. Yemfa Karim Zito na yemfa ne mra. Omu hu ye. Omunim di obetimi aye. If there's another opportunity, na Karim Zito obetimi aye coach de Kumasi Asante Kotoko a. Die nti na akwa ne na makwa gigi application bi ni nyema bi e de aba team nim. Abra papa ne buy the performance hasn't been bad.
Exactly.
I say ukase omogigi application one Kotoko MBA for say ye pe coach obi apply.
So say but behind the scenes some ye be sir.
Kotoko MBA mu say omo pe coach nti obi apply.
And I make us say
neba omo MBA mu. E ye coach is na apply. Because omunim say edwuma da ho. By Kotoko officially omon country obi a say wa wo pe Kotoko dwumadi bia na apply. So in this case Kotoko ti ho na coach Asaribedi akon apply a Kotoko ntimi nka so omonje ombeje. That's the reason why a Kotoko ewo committee ombepe for the new coach. And sa committee no ana betena se one ombeche Kotoko sikasem. Ye sika ne budget no coach ben ye betima appointe. Ye philosophy ade a coach ne ye pen no on ne betimi dia kwa experience omo onu omo betina so dia hwe e dia appoint a new coach. So Kotoko no to say no ono no e omo di omo pen no omo criteria no befa so dia appoint a new coach enya wa apply.
That is why I'm saying sir they should forget about all those applications. So ono do the beba. But me point they say odi aba no forget it. Na hwe Karim Zito na wo fa nefa akwanya ne man na onya adwuma.
Me so asemo fa ne say omo am apply no. Ye will coach ne credential or ye proving that coach Karim Zito so so.
Pay list ne buy ne de me hu bi wo.
List na buy no.
O be kasa mo bodu.
List na buy no. Aye wo ho no. Germany ne credentials was so saying coach Karim Zito.
Germany ni se me hu no. Na maka na.
Sense na make 20 wo kasa omo forget.
Oh, come here go fact Germany bi omo nya Germany
list ba ha se aye di.
Oh,
Come
come
ba me me the make catch on say the fact say obi apply for a adwuma ne nkyerɛ say o mo forget it e betima ba say de wa apply ni mpokra no e wo better credential betima fiti Kotoko nti the fact say obi apply ne nkyerɛ say wo say Kotoko forget it o mo apply no.
My point is that Asante Kotoko should be looking for people who are capable. No more appointing omo.
And if I know you're capable, no better man said you more apply ni bi no be so capable.
I am not saying so be capable or apply. But my point is that and until I'm board Real Madrid day example.
Okay,
Nipa ni free one ano. Onim say asem si na be boa me.